Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. As we all know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And how many red bows are you going to need? Making bows is so time consuming, but it can be faster if you do it production style. And that's what I want to share with you today. Start with your favorite ribbon, whatever ribbon you want to use. Pull it out so you've got lots. You don't want to just be tied to your bolt. Don't cut it. Then start making your bows just the way you always do. Loop, twist, loop, twist, loop, twist. However many loops you normally do. Maybe you do 3, maybe you do 5. I'm going to stop at 4, right in the middle. Don't pick up your scissors. That slows you down. Stop there. Take your wire that off. Don't even try to fluff it out. Go on down and start again. Loop, twist, loop, twist. And keep repeating. And then wire it again. Do this 10 times. 10 bows to a string, and after you have 10, cut the ribbon, and that way you can hang these then from a hanger or a sheet of styrofoam, and as you need them, you just go and clip it to use.